Have you seen that incredible video of the Comet 3I Atlas? You know the one, it's this breathtaking, otherworldly object streaking across the screen, glowing with an almost magical light. It went viral, shared by millions, with everyone marveling at this interstellar visitor. Well, what if I told you that stunning footage of a comet hurtling through space was actually a drop of water? Yeah, you heard me right. A single drop of water. Today, we rate diving deep into one of the most fascinating and beautiful fake videos to ever grace the internet. They're going to unravel how this illusion was created, why so many people believed it, and what it tells us about our desire to see the wonders of the universe. So, let's start with the video itself. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? It looks like a classic sci-fi movie opening, a dark, star-like background, and this elongated, glowing object moving with a sense of purpose. The colors are ethereal, shifting, and shimmering. It's easy to see why it captured everyone's imagination. A caption often read rare footage of Interstellar Comet 3I ATLAS. It sounds so official, so credible. But here's where the story takes a turn. This footage has nothing to do with NASA, the European Space Agency, or any astronomical observatory. The real creator of this masterpiece is a German macro photographer and videographer named Roman D. Julie. He's a genius when it comes to capturing the unseen world of fluids, paints, and powders. His work is all about revealing the hidden beauty in everyday things. So, how did he do it? How did he turn a humble drop of water into a galactic traveler? The secret lies in a technique called macrovideography. This involves using specialized lenses to get incredibly close to a subject, magnifying it to reveal details invisible to the naked eye. In this case, Roman placed a drop of water on a piece of glass. The stars in the background, they're likely glitter or dust particles, strategically placed and out of focus to create that deep space feel. The comet itself is the water droplet. It's not just plain water. It's filled with tiny, reflective particles, probably something like mica powder or fine glitter, suspended in the liquid. The magic happens with the lighting and movement. Shining colored lights from different angles. He makes the particles within the water glow and shimmer. The movement isn't the comet flying through space. It's either the camera moving very slowly past the droplet, or the droplet itself being gently manipulated, perhaps by tilting the glass or using a tiny puff of air. When you speed up this slow, deliberate movement, it creates the illusion of an object hurtling through the cosmos at incredible speed. It's a brilliant combination of physics, artistry, and a deep understanding of how light interacts with matter. The result is a piece of art that tricks our brains. We're conditioned to see streaks of light in a dark sky as meteors or comets. Our minds fill in the blanks, and the beautiful, otherworldly visuals do the rest. So, why did this go so viral as a real comet? Well, first, it's visually stunning. It taps into our collective awe for space and the unknown. We want asterisks to believe we're seeing something extraordinary from the far reaches of our galaxy. Second, the name 3I, Atlas, added a layer of authenticity. Atlas is a real astronomical survey system that discovers comets and asteroids. So the name sounds legitimate. It's a classic case of misinformation piggybacking on a sliver of truth. The video spread like wildfire on platforms like TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. People shared it with genuine excitement, completely unaware of its true origin. It's a perfect example of how quickly and easily visual misinformation can spread in the digital age, especially when it's something we're emotionally primed to believe. But let's be clear, this isn't a malicious deepfake. Roman D. Julie is an artist, and his intention was to create something beautiful, not to deceive people about astronomy. In fact, On his own channels, he openly explains his techniques. He calls his style teragenesis, which means creating worlds. And that's exactly what he did. He created a miniature, self-contained universe on a piece of glass. The deception happened later when others took his art, stripped it of its context, and slapped a fake headline on it. So, what about the real 3i ATLAS? Does it even exist? Yes, it does. But its story is a bit different. It was a real comet discovered by the Atlas survey. There was a lot of excitement around it because initially, astronomers thought it might become incredibly bright, possibly even visible to the naked eye. It was on a long, looping orbit that took it through our solar system. However, as it got closer to the sun, the real 3i Atlas started to break apart. Instead of becoming a spectacular celestial show, it fizzled out and disintegrated. So, ironically, the viral video gave the comet a far more glorious and dramatic appearance than it ever had in reality. This whole episode is a fantastic lesson in media literacy. It teaches us to be a little more skeptical of incredible things we see online, especially when they aren't from a verified source. A quick search for Roman D. Julie or water drop comet video would have revealed the truth. It's a reminder to always ask, who made this? What was their intention? And is there a more logical, terrestrial explanation? But more importantly, I think this story celebrates the power of art. It shows that you don't need a billion-dollar space telescope to create images that inspire awe and wonder. Sometimes all you need is a camera, a drop of water, and a brilliant imagination. Roman D. Julie's work proves that the extraordinary is just out there in the depths of space. It's also right here, all around us, in the microscopic worlds we often overlook. So, the next time you see an unbelievable video online, take a moment to appreciate it, but also take a moment to question it. You might just uncover an even more interesting story behind the scenes, a story of creativity, ingenuity, and the hidden beauty of our own world. What do you think? Were you fooled by this video? I have to admit, the first time I saw it, I was completely captivated. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this dive into the truth behind the viral video, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more content that unpacks the amazing and sometimes misleading world of the internet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.